Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is steam sterilization. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. Make sure you subscribe to get all the good content we're putting out. Check out the status bar below for our agenda, and make sure you stick around to the end for those 3 bonus questions. Our topic, steam sterilization, is covered by 1345 section 7.5.7. Steam sterilization in 5 words. Pressure and steam inactivates microorganisms. Steam sterilization is done in either an autoclave or a high-speed pre-vacuum sterilizer. For the steam sterilization process, the medical device is exposed to steam under pressure for a designated period of time. For a steam sterilization process, the most important process parameters are steam, pressure, temperature, and time. Most steam sterilization processes will operate between 121 and 132 C, which means that the steam sterilization process can damage some medical devices. Companies will calculate an F sub 0 for those sterilization processes. This F sub 0 will be different depending on the sterilization cycle and the product being sterilized. Steam sterilization does not produce toxins, is relatively inexpensive, and can quickly kill all microorganisms and spores. In my experience, steam sterilization is used on pre-filled syringes, IV drugs, fabrics, and other metal surgical instruments. The corresponding ISO standard for steam sterilization is 17665. So how do I know this is working? First, steam sterilization is the right process for my medical device. Second, my steam sterilization process is validated. Third, my steam sterilization process is revalidated according to an established frequency. And then finally, if I have multiple steam sterilization cycles, I group those cycles based on families, and those families have documented rationale supporting them. How do I know it's not working? Well, first, steam sterilization is used and it's not the right process for my product. It damages my product. Second, my steam sterilization process, it's not validated. Third, my steam sterilization process, the validation is not maintained. So over time, I don't do my revalidation, my equipment is changed, it's damaged, and my process goes out of a validated state. And then finally, if I have multiple steam sterilization cycles, they're not grouped into families. Or if they are, the rationale for those families, it's not documented and captured within my quality management system. And now for the 3 bonus questions. First, do we have any products that are steam sterilized? If yes, can I get a list of them? Second, do we do any steam sterilization on site? If yes, at which sites? And then finally, do we utilize parametric release, or do we still test BIs with each steam sterilization load? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.